Congratulations! You found the Santu Pirls Stock Market Commentary featuring the proprietary bull-bear point and figure market breadth summary chart for market week ending Friday, April 17th, 2015. Market breadth. With this past week's market decline, our bull-bear point and figure ratio fell from 1.45 to 1.23, declining into less bullish territory. The total count of securities in bullish or bearish patterns fell 1% to 3,078. The count of bearish stocks increased 9%, while the count of stocks in bullish patterns decreased 8%. The Santu Pirls PNF Market Breadth Summary Chart shows us a market now 2 consecutive weeks in bullish territory. Paid subscribers have access to the OpenOffice Calc data from which the chart is generated. To become a paid subscriber, you may visit s2pmarketsignal.com, click on the Membership tab, and click Register. By clicking Register, you may also register for a free weekly stock market commentary email. For those who wish to register for the Market Signal, a free 2-week trial subscription is available. The well-known market breadth indicator, the Nasdaq McClellan Summation Index, rose 40 points for the 12th rise in 26 weeks. At a positive 191.39 points, it has risen above the November 2014 top and continues below all 8 other tops above plus 100 and above all 5 bottoms below minus 100 in the last 3 years. Market Gauge Volume Analysis. In this week's volume analysis, all indexes ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. In the last 2 weeks, the Nasdaq 100 Trust had 0 accumulation days and 0 distribution days. Of the other indexes, both the Diamonds Trust and the S&P 500 Deposit Receipts ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Accumulation days are counted when the index closes up on higher volume than the prior market day, while distribution days occur when the index closes down on volume higher than the prior market day. Last week also, the Nasdaq 100 Trust ended in neither accumulation nor distribution mode. Momentum. At close on Wednesday, April 15th, the CCI 20 had 6 consecutive days above zero for a Woody's trend change to up. At minus 13.38, the CCI 20 is currently within the plus or minus 50 range for a zero-line reject long entry signal should the CCI 20 daily rise early next week. In Woody's CCI trading system, 6 consecutive bars above or below zero are required for a change of trend. The weekly CCI 20 of the Nasdaq Composite Index began a Woody's uptrend 39 weeks ago, while the daily CCI 20 began a Woody's uptrend this past week. The CCI 20 weekly continues in a Woody's uptrend and remains outside the plus or minus 50 range for a valid zero-line reject long entry signal. Industry rotation the last 2 weeks. All of the top 5 industries are positive, and all of the bottom 5 are negative. Bullish. Disk drives continues in the top 5. Computer hardware has entered the top 5. Comp Tech has left the bottom 5. Brokers has left the bottom 5. Bearish. Oil and oil services continue in the top 5. REITs continues in the bottom 5. S&P Retail has entered the bottom 5. Networkers has left the top 5. Focus this week from www.theeventchronicle.com via China Daily as the original source. America, Europe, told to work with BRICS. Here are a few excerpts from the short but significant article. Geopolitics. What makes this meeting in Washington, D.C. very interesting is that it happens under the Russian presidency of the BRICS. It seems the BRICS are deliberately tapping local progressive agencies like LaRouche's Schiller Institute to channel their own reformist ideas into mainstream platforms. More than that, the choice of where this meeting is held could have something to do with the purported transition from fiat dollar to UST bills and the change of ownership of the Federal Reserve. China Daily, New York. A completely new economic system, initiated by the BRICS, is emerging with extremely rapid speed, said an international think tank Thursday, urging the United States and Europe to ditch geopolitics and work with them. The BRICS nations, namely Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, have united to pursue a policy of economic development not just for their individual countries, but for the benefit of the people of all nations, said the Schiller Institute, a think tank with headquarters both in Germany and U.S., in a report released here at a seminar. Contrary to the Trans-Pacific Partnership advocated by the Obama administration, which excludes Russia and China, the BRICS-related initiatives, including the Chinese proposed free trade area of Asia and the Pacific, are inclusive, the think tank said. In blazing a trail to build the new world economic order, the nations of the BRICS are working toward real economic development, complete with new credit institutions and major high-technology projects to lift the well-being of all participating countries, the founder said. Thank you for tuning in for this week's Sand to Pearls Stock Market Commentary, featuring the proprietary bull-bear point and figure chart, compiled by Donald Pearl, www.s2pmarketsignal.com. Hoping that you are enjoying a peaceful and pleasant weekend, that you're looking forward to a great week coming up, and wishing you true success.